YouTube, it's me. I'm him, Mr. 15K himself. Look, like I always tell you all the time, at this point, you don't know what to expect from this channel, so go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? Today, we're doing my 5K haul review. You feel me? I realized that I was just grabbing stuff, getting ready for spring and summer. Not even realizing I done messed around and spent 5 racks off the strength for just grabbing a few things. You feel me? So to get into it, I gotta speak my mind to y'all, because like this gotta be addressed. You feel me? 2022 about becoming the best version. You people, how I did the Blues Clues. You feel me? So my whole thing is, I'm like, let's get right into it. Like the PSDs, the Ethicas, the underwear with all the cartoon apparel and backwoods on it. Like what is we doing? We gonna leave that in the past. You feel me? So with that being said, I gotta give y'all a few recommendations, you feel me? But I got one question for y'all. Like when you go grab the PSDs and they got the backwood logo on the underwear, is that for you or is that for the lady, you feel me? If you like backwoods that much, just tell her you like backwoods, you feel me? She don't wanna see that. Crazy thing is, she been wanting to tell you this whole time too, like babe, that ain't it, you feel me? But she know you like them that much that she don't want to let you down, you feel me? So my whole thing is I got to be the one to tell you because she don't want to. So at this point, I can't tell you that ain't it and not give you what's it, you feel me? So today I'm going to give you my top 3 underwears in regards to fit, look, and plus what she just want to see you in, you feel me? Because them PSDs and them Ethicas is not it at all, you feel me? So we got like a Calvin Klein, Kith. Am I showing y'all that right? You feel me? You feel me? We're gonna open them up. And I think these dope because like whatever color you snatch, you feel me? Like the box don't match it. So I grabbed a few pair because I would never be caught in a PSD, Ethica, none of that. I don't play them type games, you feel me? So with that being said, like, see like this little bluish color. And I'm gonna show y'all all these too. You feel me? If I can get this boy open. So I think it's like a crimson. These boys too hard. Had to snatch these. These too hard. This the back of them, you feel me? So even when she see you from the back, you still coming correct, you feel me? Good crimson, good stretch on these boys too, you feel me? Big boy band. I'm gonna show y'all the front. You feel me? Kith right there in the middle, letting y'all know it's a collab and they coming correct. Good stretch on these boys, man, good stretch. Can't go wrong, this is what she wanna see. You feel me? Give her what she want. You feel me? Without her having to ask you. Just come back and thank you later, you feel me? Ladies, actually, too, another thing, too, man, just show them this video. You feel me? If you don't want to tell them, like, hey, you feel me? Like, you feel me? I guess I ain't got to show y'all all the colors, you feel me? But I'm going to show y'all a couple. That crimson too hard, though. Crimson too hard. Nice little blue, you feel me? But I just had to get that off my chest because y'all ain't coming correct, you feel me? Y'all not. I'm sorry, you feel me? I know the rappers put it off on y'all like this the move, but they probably ain't even wearing them no more, you feel me? Like, let them go. As y'all know, I ain't gonna speak on these too much because I did a video on them, you feel me? So if you like what you see, go ahead and, you feel me? Go check out that Prada review, custom Prada review, you feel me? But these boys too hard. I want to say the underwear running like 40 ball a pop, but it's cool. It's cool. Go ahead and invest in yourself. You feel me? You're going to be better off. These boys running about 1,100. That's before tax. You feel me? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pair of the Kith collabs. You feel me? Running at 40 ball a pop. I just told you about them one things, you feel me? 1,100, you feel me? And I can't tell you about them and not tell you about these because these running at 1,100 too. These purple boys go crazy, you feel me? But I ain't gonna get into these too much because I want y'all to check out that prada. You feel me? That review I did. This boy's too crazy. Another 1100. What else we got for y'all boys? Look, let's get into this too. You feel me? Cause like, I never thought the day would come that I would be paying like, you feel me, $70 for a pair of socks, you feel me? Sheesh, I never seen it coming, you feel me? Like, that's something different, but I had to snatch these. And you know I got these because what I'm about to show you next, you couldn't get one without the other, you feel me? You had to snatch these with what I'm about to show you next, you feel me? So my whole thing is, I'm like, I've been wanting some camo shorts, right? But the thing is, I feel like none of them boys really been it for real. Whether the color be off, whether the way they fit just won't be cutting it, it'll always be something that just wasn't up to par in my opinion, you feel me? So I had to go and snatch these. I seen these online, I'm like, I had to get them. See, this the back of them. Gallery Dept boys, these boys too hard. They the perfect green, you see the little leather patches on them boys? These boys too hard. They even got this little paint on the front too. Oh yeah, more patches for you. Good paint. These boys too tough. Like how could you feel me? How could you see these and not partake? I had to have parts, you feel me? I had to. Only thing I would say is the packing. Packaging was horrible. They came in like a little brown envelope. Yeah, envelope. But the crazy thing is I wasn't even tripping on that because they came correct with this. So they gave me like this little, I don't even know what you would call this, grocery bag or something. Back of this boy too hard. You feel me? So I was disappointed with that bag, but they came correct with this boy. See the little stamp line, you know, it's Gallery Dept. You feel me? It's too hard, you feel me? I'm gonna move right along. Then we got these, you feel me? I'm running you out another 70 ball pop for a pair of socks, man. We ain't got, you feel me? We're gonna open them up, why not? Good quality though, I can say that. Good rules, you feel me? You feel me? And what I'm about to show you next, I feel like, once again, I couldn't snatch what I'm about to show you next without these. You feel me? It was just a must. So $70, $40, regardless of whatever the case may be, it was a must for me. You feel me? Rhude. About another $70. Just socks. Sheesh. Quality perfect though. Y'all gotta wait to see, you feel me? See the fits I play off these boys. You know I'm gonna come correct every time. You feel me? So let's just recap it real quick. So we got 1,100 a piece with the kicks. You feel me? $40 a piece for the undies. You feel me? Why not? You feel me? Rhude socks, $70 a piece. Gallery Dept socks, another 70 ball. These shorts is 1,200. Yeah, I know. You feel me? I wish they weren't so high. You feel me? But the thing is, I feel like I couldn't complain because I had to have them. You feel me? So that 1,200 had to get spent. I'm sorry. You feel me? Now these, I'm seeing them for the first time too. So we share, you feel me? We sharing this moment together. You feel me? But these too hard. Like I gotta keep my composure on the camera because these boys too tough. You feel me? If I can get these boys open. I gotta relax. I'm sorry. I be getting too hyped. But these boys too tough. Too tough. Little back pockets, you feel me? Extra long strings on these boys. You know these was a must-have, you feel me? Had to snatch these. Now you with me, right? Cause like, how could I snatch these and not get the Rhude socks? You feel me? I would have been out of pocket. You feel me? I had to. I'm sorry. These shorts like $5.50 or something like that too, if I ain't mistaken. $5.05. You feel me? But these the ones right here that I was geeked to see. You feel me? Like, I couldn't wait till these came in the mail because they told me they was cashmere. And seeing them now in person, these was a must-have too. Whoa, man, these boys too crazy. Sheesh. Let me just drop the strings. Y'all gotta see this. You feel me? Y'all gotta see this, man. Man, these boys too tough. I don't even worry about the little piece of lint on the back. We ain't tripping on that, but these boys real life cashmere. I gotta get close. I gotta let y'all see this. You feel me? These boys something different. I want to say these shorts was 2015. Man, I know it's a little absurd for a pair of shorts, but I had to have these. You feel me? Same thing with the socks. Like, how can you snatch these and not get the socks? Now y'all gotta just stay tuned to just see how I put them together. You feel me? Like, I just need to know. You feel me? Just let me know something. You feel me? Once again, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. And until next time.